Ito ang mensahe ng past person mo, Aries. The timing just wasn't right for us. You don't know how hard it was to let you go. I left you before you could leave me. I couldn't let you get close to me. I left when I saw you with someone. We will be together again. Ang mensahe para sa'yo. To begin the practice of allowing, I must get out of the way and let Spirit give me direction. Ang mensahe para sa'yo na isipin mo lang palagi na nandyan ang Diyos Ama para gabayan ka, magdasal ka,